Nona Peltier joins me in the studio for the business news today. So Sky City, Nona, it's on the verge of launching online gambling, but not here?
No, we have regulations, well, rather we have no regulations for online gambling. It's banned here in New Zealand. Now, the New Zealand government is looking at introducing regulations, a framework to allow that to happen, but it's not in place right at the moment. However, you know, digital communications is moving on, and Sky City are looking to launch an online site. They signaled that last year, and now they're in advanced stages of that. Probably will be Malta, which has a regulatory framework for online gambling, so they'll register there, and they'll act in accordance with the regulation here. They'll do as much as they can to demonstrate good host responsibility, contribute GST tax if they can. If not, they'll contribute it to a trust, one of the Sky City trusts, so that they'll still return it to the community in some way. But it probably is about 2 years away for the New Zealand government to catch up. Australia's in the same sort of boat. In Australia, they banned access to online gambling sites. We haven't done that in New Zealand. So Sky City thinks that we're losing, or the industry is losing, about $180 million a year as a result of, you know, revenue in that.
Of not being able to do it here.
Exactly, yeah.
Out of here.
So it's worth them making an effort. Certainly in the United States have just recently liberalized it, and in Europe it's been liberalized for some time now. Yeah.
Okay, let's move on to the power companies. So they're battling it out for customers. Does that mean that they're going to give us cheaper power?
Well, I just discovered something. I'm one of these people that stick with, you know, a company and never change. Yeah,
right.
I don't know about others, but that's how I do it. I'm the perfect kind of customer for these big retailers, because the ones who are doing the churning, and that's basically customers who switch regularly, get much better pricing, according to Electric Kiwi, who's one of the fastest growing power retailers. Now, they have high churn because they said the kinds of consumers that come to them are ones that are always chasing the lowest prices. Now, if you change from a large retailer, like say one of the big gentailers, you are going to get a better price than the one that they offer people like myself who never shop around. So there you go.
But you've got to be motivated, don't you?
You really have. It has to, yeah, you have to be highly motivated. I'm one of those people that just, you know, sign on to something and never quit unless I get really bad service.
You're a passive customer.
I have other things to do. I've got other things to do.
All right, give us a wee wrap of the markets for the day.
Okay, yeah, so look, our Kiwi is, look, it's steady against the US and up also against, still strong against the Australian dollar and up against the pence. And that's because there's a lot of international news out there. We've got a Brexit vote coming up this week. We're going to get the results of that probably our Wednesday morning. So it's an important vote, and that means that the pound can go either way, depending on what happens with that outcome. In the United States, they had some surprisingly weak labor market data, which saw the US dollar tank and their shares. So our index ended down 0.5%, that's the top 50 index, by 49 points to 9,391. But in Asia, everything's a bit flat right now. Everyone's just waiting for some big international news to break.
Thanks, Nona. Appreciate it.